Most of the actors here have bought in to the bill that came out of the Senate, and it's a matter for the House, basically Republican leadership, to sign on to that. We just need to get this done, I think everybody who's working here wants to do that. And as you said, the appropriations part of this, the spending part of this, was passed overwhelmingly by the Senate, by the House. I supported it. It wasn't exactly what I proposed in February in my budget address, but it addresses the deficit in conjunction with the savings, the $2.3 billion of streamlining that I've put into the budget. I think it does a responsible job, and I think it would keep us to talk to the Treasurer later, but I think if we passed what came out of the Senate, it would actually allow us to avoid a credit downgrade. So it's a good thing, and I think it's just, I urge the House Republican leaders to get back to work and get this done.